So this is the first time I'm seeing the Demtruk 2.0. I have to say, it's brilliant. It's got all of the features of the original, which make it so great, with a few added extras. So you've got this extension piece. The standard one is just over 1 metre, but this extends it to about 1.2 metres. It's actually about 10% wider as well, which is really good because so many machines now have got a really kind of strange footprint and the legs kind of extend out. They did fit on the other one, but this is just even better. It makes it that much more secure. It now comes with a bag for the base, which is fantastic because you can collapse it up, put it in the bag, and then you know it's not going to damage the machine or get damaged by anything else in the van rolling around. It's also got this base underneath, which is a great idea because I mean, if you're carrying like a machine that's got an external pump, you can put that down there. You can put your tools down there, plumbing kit, whatever. Comes with 2 sets of straps rather than just the one, so you can strap it across both ways there. It also comes with an extra set of handles, so you've actually got handles for all 4 corners to help with carrying machines upstairs. Comes with lockable front wheels as well, so if you are using it as a worktop bench or just to make it more stable when you're transferring machines, that helps a lot. Demtruk helps me quickly move heavy machines on my own without having to worry about injury to my staff or myself. Safety, speed and reliability. That's why I use Demtruk.